How to change your windscreen wipers. Faulty wipers or blades are one of the most common reasons for an MOT fail. Driving with a dirty windscreen and low visibility can be extremely dangerous. Here's our step-by-step guide on how to change your windscreen wipers. Please remember this is a guide, and your car might have different fixtures or fittings to the one in the video. Almost all modern cars are equipped with standard blades, but if your car was manufactured before 2005, it may have traditional flat blades. You can check which type you have in your owner's manual. In this guide, we'll be using standard blades. Step 1. Lift the wiper arm and pull it all the way back until it's in an upright position. Step 2. Put something down across the windscreen to protect it, like a towel or a small mat. Step 3. Remove the wiper blade. There are a few mechanisms for removing wiper blades. With some, you may have to remove a pin or press a catch to release the arm. With others, you may just have to pull it. Step 4. Replace the arm carefully and rest it against the windscreen protection. This is so it doesn't snap back and crack the glass. Step 5. Get your new blade and put the arm back into its upright position. Step 6. Line up the new blade with the arm and push it into position until you hear a click. Step 7. Lower the blade gently back into position and follow the same steps for the other arm. You've now successfully changed your windscreen wiper. Admiral isn't responsible for any damage or loss caused as a result of the advice in this video.